Sam is catching his first fish.
Wow. Oh, what kind of fish is it? That's it. Got him. Look at that fish.
Yay!
Fish.
It's broken.
Is it broken? You want Mama to fix
Look at
it?
Mama.
Show me your fish. Show me your fish, Sam.
You take it off the hook.
Oh,
Hold it. See his mouth?
here. Mom. Poppy.
Are you ready to cast yours out, Ronan? Here you go.
Help. Help. Help.
I'll help you. Let me see you pull.
Fish.
We got a tangle. It's rolling.